Have you ever felt like your knees were about to collapse after just a few short steps? That's not a sign of aging you should ignore. It's one of the earliest warnings that your knees are deteriorating. And if you don't take action, you could lose your ability to walk independently in just a few months. If you're over 60, adding the right foods that strengthen knees after 60 is one of the simplest ways to reduce joint pain, restore cartilage, and regain mobility at home without relying on medication. In this video, you'll discover 7 expert-recommended foods that nourish your joints, reduce inflammation, and support natural movement. And don't skip the last one. Food number 7 is often used the wrong way, and it could reverse all the benefits without you realizing it. If leg health matters to you, leave a comment with the number 1 below. That way, I know to keep making more content just for you. Food 1, salmon. Salmon is one of the best foods that strengthen knees after 60. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation, support cartilage healing, and improve flexibility. It also provides vitamin D, B12, and high-quality protein, all essential cartilage repair nutrients that seniors often lack. If you have knee pain going upstairs, difficulty standing up, or stiffness in the morning, try adding salmon to your diet 2 to 3 times a week. Grill it, bake it, or steam it. Just don't cut off the healthy fat. And if you don't eat fish, the next food offers similar joint-protecting benefits from plants. Food 2, dark leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and bok choy are loaded with vitamin K, calcium, and polyphenol. These nutrients help slow cartilage degeneration and reduce inflammation naturally. According to Harvard Medical School, seniors who eat leafy greens regularly have a 47% lower risk of knee osteoarthritis. These vegetables are a key part of any joint support diet and rank high among anti-inflammatory foods. Add them steamed, stir-fried, or in soups. And if you're still watching, comment number 2, I want to know who's committed to stronger knees. Food 3, bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids, all of which support joint health. The National Institutes of Health has found that nutrients in bone broth may improve flexibility and relieve joint pain. These are exactly the cartilage repair nutrients your body needs more of as you age. A small cup each morning or using it as a soup base at night is an easy way to absorb these nutrients. Bone broth is also one of the most natural foods that strengthen knees after 60. Food 4, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are more than just sweet treats. These berries contain anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce joint inflammation and relieve swelling. They're among the top anti-inflammatory foods and are excellent choices in any diet focused on knee pain nutrition. A 62-year-old woman in Chicago said she couldn't walk in the park anymore due to severe knee pain. After drinking berry smoothies daily and cutting processed food, she returned to her morning walks in 3 weeks. Eat berries fresh, frozen, in yogurt, or blended into smoothies. If you're still here, comment number 4 and keep watching because the next food isn't sweet or leafy, but creamy and full of healthy fat. Food 5, avocados. Avocados are a great source of monounsaturated fats that naturally lubricate joints, reduce inflammation, and support flexibility. They're also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects joint tissue and soothes pain. But many people cancel out its benefits by mixing it with sugar or condensed milk, or eating it too infrequently. For real results, eat avocados consistently. Spread it on whole grain bread, mix it into salad, or blend it into a morning smoothie. Avocados are among the best foods for joints and are especially helpful for anyone looking for knee pain nutrition from fresh, natural sources. Food 6, turmeric. Turmeric is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory foods. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for relieving joint pain, especially in people with arthritis. That's why turmeric is frequently listed among top foods for arthritis knees. But to get results, you must use it correctly. Taking turmeric without black pepper or healthy fat drastically reduces absorption. For best effect, Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with warm water, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of coconut or olive oil. Drink it on an empty stomach 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Or add it to stir fries, soups, or make golden milk, a drink widely used in the US for joint inflammation. Food 7. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3s, magnesium, calcium, and soluble fiber. They're excellent cartilage repair nutrients and belong in any joint support diet. But there's a catch: if you eat them dry or without enough water, they can cause bloating and digestive issues, especially in older adults. To use them properly, soak 1 tablespoon in warm water, plant-based milk, or juice for 15 to 20 minutes until it forms a gel. Then add it to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal. When used correctly, chia seeds can help reduce inflammation without upsetting your stomach. But if used wrong, the benefits are lost. This proves that even healthy foods can lose their value if consumed the wrong way. And after 60, knowledge and consistency are what make the difference. You've now discovered 7 foods that can help your knees grow stronger every single day. No medication, no expensive treatments, just smart choices using what's already in your kitchen. Take care of your legs before they force you to stop moving. And don't forget, the foods for arthritis knees you just learned could be the key to reducing pain, restoring mobility, and keeping your independence after 60. If you made it this far, comment number 9. It tells me you truly care about your health. I'll keep making more in-depth, easy-to-follow videos just for you. If you're serious about improving blood flow and rebuilding strength in your legs after 60, don't stop here. Keep learning in the playlist, Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60. The link is in the description and comments below.